Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In this video, we'll walk you through a comprehensive guide to troubleshooting and fixing a shaky brake pedal. Ready to get your brakes back to smooth working order? Let's dive in. Vibrations can result in inconsistent braking, causing discomfort and reducing driving confidence. Moreover, the vibrations can lead to decreased braking efficiency and longer stopping distances, affecting the handling and control of your vehicle. By addressing brake pedal vibrations promptly, you can maintain optimal performance and handling, ensuring a smooth and safe driving experience. Addressing brake pedal vibrations is not just a matter of comfort but a crucial step in ensuring safety, preventing damage to other parts, and maintaining optimal vehicle performance. By recognizing the significance of these vibrations and taking action promptly, you can enhance the safety of your driving experience and protect the longevity of your vehicle's braking system. How to inspect and diagnose brake pedal vibrations. Inspecting and diagnosing brake pedal vibrations is crucial for maintaining the safety and performance of your vehicle. By following these steps, you can effectively identify the root cause of the issue and take appropriate action. Visual inspection of brake rotors and pads. Start by visually inspecting the brake rotors and pads. Look for any signs of wear, scoring, or uneven surfaces on the rotors. Check the thickness of the brake pads to ensure they are within specifications. Any abnormalities in the rotors or pads could lead to brake pedal vibrations. Checking suspension components. Next, check the suspension components for any wear or damage. Inspect the control arms, bushings, and struts for signs of wear or looseness. Worn suspension parts can contribute to vibrations when applying the brakes as they affect the stability of the entire braking system. Test drive for verification. After visually inspecting the brake components and suspension, it's essential to verify the issue through a test drive. Pay close attention to how the brake pedal feels when braking at different speeds. Note if the vibrations occur during light or heavy braking. This step helps confirm the presence of brake pedal vibrations and provides insight into the severity of the issue. By following these steps and thoroughly inspecting the brake components and suspension, you can diagnose the cause of brake pedal vibrations effectively. Once you have identified the issue, consult with a professional mechanic to determine the best course of action to address the problem and ensure your vehicle's safety on the road. Seeking professional help. When you notice your brake pedal vibrating or shaking, it's crucial to consider seeking professional help to ensure your safety on the road. Consulting a mechanic for a thorough inspection and repair is best done when you experience persistent or intense vibrations while braking. Here's when it's advisable to reach out to a professional. Unpredictable vibrations. If you encounter unpredictable vibrations in your brake pedal, especially during sudden stops or at varying speeds, it's essential to have a mechanic inspect your braking system. Unusual shaking that occurs inconsistently may indicate underlying issues that require expert attention. Grinding or squealing noises. Alongside pedal vibrations, if you hear grinding or squealing noises when applying the brakes, it's a clear sign that professional inspection is necessary. These auditory cues often point to worn-out brake pads or other brake components that need immediate evaluation and possible replacement. Decreased braking performance. When you feel a significant decrease in your vehicle's braking performance, such as delayed response or difficulty in coming to a complete stop, it's time to consult a mechanic. Issues like reduced brake responsiveness can pose serious safety hazards and should be addressed promptly by a professional to prevent accidents. Dashboard warning lights. Modern vehicles are equipped with warning lights that illuminate to indicate potential problems within the braking system. If you see the brake warning light on your dashboard, don't ignore it. Seeking professional help to diagnose the issue is crucial to ensure the proper functioning of your brakes and overall vehicle safety. Repairs yield no improvement. If you've attempted DIY inspections or minor repairs to address brake pedal vibrations without success, it's wise to let a qualified mechanic take over. Persistent issues despite your efforts suggest underlying complexities that demand professional expertise to diagnose and resolve effectively. Routine maintenance checkup. Even if you haven't experienced noticeable brake pedal vibrations, it's still recommended to include brake system inspections as part of your routine maintenance schedule. Preventive checks by a professional can help identify potential problems early on, ensuring optimal brake performance and overall vehicle safety. By recognizing these signs and knowing when to seek professional help for brake pedal vibrations, you can prioritize your safety and the reliability of your vehicle on the road. Trusting a skilled mechanic to inspect and address brake issues promptly is key to maintaining a secure driving experience. Preventive maintenance to avoid brake pedal vibrations. Regular brake inspections. Regular brake inspections are crucial for maintaining the health of your vehicle's braking system and avoiding potential issues such as brake pedal vibrations. By scheduling routine brake inspections, you can catch any early signs of wear or damage to brake components before they escalate into more significant problems. During these inspections, a qualified technician will check the brake pads, rotors, calipers, and brake fluid levels to ensure everything is in optimal condition. By staying proactive with regular brake checkups, you can prevent brake pedal vibrations and prolong the lifespan of your braking system. Proper driving practices. In addition to regular inspections, practicing proper driving habits can also help prevent brake pedal vibrations. Avoiding sudden stops and heavy braking can reduce the wear and tear on your brakes, ultimately minimizing the risk of brake vibrations. Instead, try to maintain a safe following distance from other vehicles, anticipate stops ahead of time, and gradually apply pressure to the brake pedal when slowing down. By driving responsibly and being mindful of your braking technique, you can lessen the strain on your brake system and decrease the likelihood of experiencing vibrations when braking. By incorporating these preventive maintenance tips into your routine, you can effectively avoid brake pedal vibrations and ensure the longevity of your vehicle's braking system. Regular inspections and safe driving practices are key components of maintaining optimal brake health and enhancing overall driving safety. After inspecting the potential causes of brake pedal vibrations or shakes, it is crucial to address this issue promptly to ensure your safety on the road. Ignoring unusual vibrations can lead to more severe problems in your braking system and compromise your driving experience. By taking the necessary steps to diagnose and resolve the underlying factors behind brake pedal vibrations, you can maintain the optimal functioning of your vehicle and drive with confidence. Remember, safety should always be a top priority when it comes to vehicle maintenance. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.